Do you want to know how you can make money by simply typing out a few words? Because today I will be showing you not one, but 3 different websites which you can use to make money by simply typing out a few keywords. But before that, I am starting a huge giveaway on this channel and you can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, and $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know and you've already liked this video, let's begin. So in today's video, you will learn how using this strategy in a few different websites, you will be making around $250 for simply typing out a few words. Now this strategy that I'm about to show you is completely free and beginner friendly. So if you are someone who is just starting out without any money or prior experience, then this is a great way for you to get started. And since this strategy is available worldwide, you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop, a desktop, or a mobile with a decent internet connection, and you are all set. So ready your keypad and let's begin. So the first website that we will be using today is this one called Captcha Typers. This is a website where you will get paid for testing captchas. Yes, you will get paid to check if their captcha system is working or not so they can sell it. So as you can see here, earn from the comfort of your home. Easy data entry jobs for all. Now to get started, simply click on the register button, then you will land on this page. So as you can see, registration is completely free and the work and app provided are totally free as well. So now all you have to do is enter some basic details like your email, username, password, retype your password, and click on submit. Once you have registered your account, you can start making money by simply checking captchas and typing a few words. Also, you will receive your payment once you have accumulated $1 by typing out captchas, so you don't have to earn some ridiculous amount of money before earning your money. So make sure you check the website right away. Now moving on to the second website. Before I proceed, I want to show you this right here. Yeah, this is the money I received via PayPal from using the strategy that I am showing you right now, right here. Just simple proof that you can get paid for typing out words. And this strategy completely works, which means you can actually make money using this strategy. Now before you skip this part, keep in mind the results may vary and you can earn less or even more than this. So make sure you watch the full video and do not skip any parts, as I will be guiding you through this step by step on how you will properly set up this strategy and also provide you with a few smart tips that will help you maximize the profits without leaving any money behind. Moving on. The next website that I will talk about is this one called 2captcha, which you will find at 2captcha.com. Now I said this before, that websites like this one and the previous one sell these captchas to other companies. So basically businesses that have websites need to make sure that the crowd coming towards their website are actually real people instead of some automated services or bots. And in order to do that, they use captchas. Now an interesting fact here is that almost all of the websites use a captcha system to make sure that their audience is real, and they are willing to pay a considerable amount of money to get those captcha services. As you can see here, that 1,000 soft captchas are available at 50 cents to buy, and websites receive traffic in thousands, millions, and sometimes even billions. So the people at 2captcha are smart to pay their audience for solving their captchas, as they cannot do it all by themselves. And as you can see here, the rates right here, they pay you around 30 cents for solving 1,000 normal captchas and over $1 for solving 1,000 reCAPTCHAs, which is a little bit difficult. Now I know the price for solving these captchas is a little low, but it all adds up very fast because it only takes a few seconds to solve all the captchas, and I suggest you focus more on reCAPTCHAs. And since you will get $1 per 1,000 reCAPTCHAs, you can easily make over $50 a day using this website. So doing this in your free time will make you some extra side money as well. So as you can see here, work on captcha recognition, home data entry work, instant payments, and easy to start. So to get started, click on the quick start button here on this website. Once you've done that, you are redirected to a page where you have to enter your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, and complete the captcha. Make sure that the email you enter is valid and that you have access to your email ID, because they will send you a validation link, and unless you have that, you won't be able to make a single cent out of this website. Once you are done with the sign up, you will see a dashboard and some statistics, but before that, I wanted to point it out that these guys have been here since 2014. So they have been here for quite some time, And if you go ahead and read some reviews on your own, you will also see that they are a reputable website, and from my experience and the reviews I read online, I think you should give it a try too. Another important thing about this website is these guys always try and keep you notified if anything new comes up on their website, and as you can see, they do that on their blog section by posting all kinds of stuff. You can check that out for yourself if you want. As you can see here that for now, we are logged in here as developers and we don't want that, so I need you to click on that and change it to workers because we are here to work for money. Once you have made the change, you will be able to see a different page where they show you your current balance, which is now $0 because you were just starting out, and this is normal because the numbers will add up soon. Moving to the next website. Before I proceed with the next step, if you've liked what you've seen so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel, The Executive, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Also, make sure you leave a like if you haven't already and share this video as much as possible as it helps me with the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos for you. Now the next website that you will be using is this one called Megatypers, which you can find over at megatypers.com. As you can see, easy job, easy money. You will get paid 200 type credits every month to type the captchas. They have a flexible working schedule. You will get paid from 45 cents typer credits per 1,000 captchas to $1.50 typer credits per captcha, and you can redeem these typer credits and get paid via PayPal, WebMoney, Payza, etc. To get started with this website, click on sign up here. Enter a few details like your name, password, email address, and PayPal account, and you can start making money using this technique right away. Now if you want, you can do some extra research on this website to know more about this website. Once you have registered, you can start making money by simply typing a few different words. So these were the 3 different websites that will pay you for typing words. If you want to know how you can make money by simply copying and pasting videos on the internet, then make sure you watch this video that I am linking right here. Also, did you find the hidden keyword in the video? If yes, then make sure you enter it in the comment section below and follow the given steps so you can stand a chance to win the giveaway. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video, and that's it for now. Now let's go make some money.